Hi guys, it's Ethan from Ethan and Edward. Today, I'm gonna be cooking some food again. I'm gonna be cooking some, what is this called? Whatever that word is. Boyardee or something? But it's spaghetti and meatballs. Even though I had spaghetti for lunch yesterday. So what you want to do is you want to get a microwavable bowl, like something like this. And you want to open it. Then you want to open this can, which is, I'll try to open it with one hand, but I don't know. Oh, yeah, I don't think I'll be able to open it with one hand. I have to set this down for a second. I'll lean it against this. You know what, I'll put on the big camera so I know you can see me. There we go. Ugh. How do you get this off? There we go. Then, oops. Then you want to throw this in the garbage. My socks must be really slippery today. Then you want to just dump this in here. It's not really going in there really good for some reason. Maybe if I grab a spoon. Let me very quickly grab my tripod. I'm pretty sure it's in here somewhere, I think. I hope. Yeah, here it is. Okay, there. There we go. I should have grabbed a bigger spoon. It was a little bit more, maybe. There. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to like put this, rinse this can out. And put it over here, because you can recycle that can. And then you want to put the lid on. And then like close it like that. And then there's these kind of things that go down right here, if you can see it, maybe. I'm not sure, but those have to go over the edge of the pot thing. Then these, like right here, there's like some slidey thing. Like right here, there's a slidey thing that slides into this like indent thing here. I have to put it on again. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. I'll be back. It's also kind of sometimes hard to do with two hands. Then you just put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. And then you stir it. And it's done. And then you eat it. Okay, there. Well, it's Ethan from Ethan and Edward. Make sure you subscribe and like and turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next video, which I'm going to be making sometime today. Today's Wednesday. And I'll probably be uploading the next, some video tomorrow too. So, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.